Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick today. Oh come on, we're going to make a really cracking, easy. It is so straightforward, so easy, so quick, no baking. Chuck it all together, not nearly a cheesecake. We're going to make it out of tins of oranges. So come on, it's so easy, it's refreshing, it's light, everything. Let's show you how to do it, come on. First job, take yourself a bag. Now you can blitz this up any which way you want. We've got some digestive biscuits and we're going to put all those digestives in that bag. So break it up whichever way you want. Smack it with a rolling pin. Anything. Just get those biscuits broken up in there. That's a straightforward recipe. It's really easy, it's light, it's refreshing, it's creamy, it's fantastic to knock up. You've got nothing else in, it's a quick one. And we're using tins of fruit, so there's no messing around. It is really easy. This is one of those recipes which is fantastic to make with kids. It's so simple, you know, no cooking, it's not dangerous. Okay, take a bowl, take our biscuit. If there's any lumps in there, just give it a little mashing up. That'll do. Melted butter in. Stir in, mix up. Okay, that's mixed through. This is an 8-inch springform tin. Line it. Cut yourself a little bit of paper, line out the sides, and then just put in your biscuit mix. Chuck it in the middle to start. Let it naturally come out. Take that paper back. Take a spoon, let's have it in right up to the sides. Squash it down and try and level it out as you go in. Now this is a really quick, nice recipe. I'm going to change spoons just to make it easier so I can get my hand in quickly. All comes together 2 hours. That will do. That's nice and steady, nice and flat in there. Bob it in the fridge whilst we make the next bit. Okay, next job couldn't be any easier. We're going to put some jelly powder in there. Now, lesson learned from when we've made before. I'm going to use 2 of these. 2 of those in there. So that means we're going to go 2 cups of boiling water. Give it a little mix up. Next job, put that to one side, let it cool. We want some oranges. Tinned oranges. Now these are in light syrup, but we still need to drain them. Okay, I'm going to do two tins of oranges. I've decided on making this a little bit different to how I was going to do it originally. Okay, let's just give those a little bit of a draining in there. I've got this lovely light syrup actually. I might have to use it for something else. So there's our biscuit base. It's only been in the fridge about 5 minutes, but not to worry. Right, what we have to do, you don't have to, but what I like to do, is going to take some oranges and put the oranges around the bottom. So nice and gently. what I am going to do, I'm just going to take some of those oranges out of here and we're going to reserve some for the top. Now we want some good looking ones really. Okay, so I've got some oranges reserved there. Now what I've decided to do, we're going to put a layer of oranges on the bottom of this biscuit actually. So they've come up there like that. So let's just get some of these in there. Now of course you don't have to do this. You could leave it without, but I've decided we're going to have an orange bottom. See, that's one good thing about cooking. You can change it up whenever you feel like it. That is our orange layer on top of our biscuit layer. So that's going to give that really nice flavour in there. Next job, I want some cream. Now it's going straight in a blender. It's whipping cream. Got a couple of cups of cream in there. Put a little bit more in. Jelly straight in the top. Lid on, mix it up. Now we're not going for whipped cream, we're not making whipped cream, it will not whip up. All we're doing is putting that together so that all that jelly mix is mixed in with our cream, and then we're going to chuck it in there. Job done. This is how easy and straightforward this recipe is. Take our biscuit base with oranges on, and then we are going over the top with our mix. I'm just going to pour that over a spoon actually, just to start it off. I don't want the oranges all lifting up inside. There we have it. Stick it in the fridge, 2 hours to set. Okay, been in the fridge 2 hours. Let's prop the spring-loaded clip. Let's get that out of there. Are we ready for this? Oh, look in there. Oh, that looks superb. I'm going to transfer it to a plate. Just look at that. And then we need to be going on there with our oranges. That is absolutely tremendous. Look at that. Huh? 10 minutes work, 2 hours in the fridge, pudding on the table, last minute for anybody coming round. What does it taste like? We're going to cut a slice. Come on, let's get in here. Oh, look in there. What does it taste like? Oh. Oh, 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 look at that. That is fantastic. That is amazing. You've got that lovely light cream all the way through there. Very minimal orange flavour. You go right through to the biscuit at the bottom. I'm trying to eat this the wrong way around, look. You go right through to that biscuit at the bottom, and you've got that fantastic extra orange taste. That really is a fantastic, fantastic dessert. Oh man, that is incredible. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends. All that kind of stuff. and we'll catch you in the next video.